You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the in-box review of the Revell Fokker Dr.I triplane in 1/72 scale. A while back I got this for Father's Day. Now I used to have a Fokker Dr.I from Revell a long time ago, and I thought, oh, it's gonna be a cute kit. But what I actually didn't realize is that this is a later issue. This is a better detailed kit. Let's have a look inside. Okay, here are the sprues in the inevitable red. Let's have a closer look. Well, you almost wonder how you could get so much detail in such a small kit, but they managed it. A rotary engine looks nicely. The ribbing on the rotary engine looks very nice. There's even some fabric lines there. From what I remember from the old kit, this is way better looking. It's a very nicely detailed kit. And what they also have done is like they included cockpit parts. Like there's even a floor panel and a control column. I remember that wasn't like in the old kit. It was just like a pin for a pilot to sit on. Which, hey, there's no pilot. Dun dun dun. That's awkward. But this kit looks very good. I mean, look at that. Let's see if it will focus properly. The detail on the machine guns, and like even the cooling holes are like on there. Yes, very, very nicely detailed little kit. Wow. It also contains a decal sheet. It's very small. Yeah, what can you say? Nicely in register. Cartograph. Very good. The instructions. Story in German, story in English. Read this before you start. Does anyone ever read this? Do you ever read this? Come on. The colors used, the sprue map, and yeah, building instructions. It's a small kit, and the fun things, it has very few bracing wires. So this being a triplane, of course, makes it a bit difficult for the beginning modeler. But if you have some experience under your belt, you could try like a biplane or this triplane. And it has very few bracing wires, so you don't have to, like, how am I going to take care of all these wires? And they do include instructions on how to attach them. So that would be a little bit of work, but it pays off. It pays off. I can assure you, adding the wires to a biplane, it pays off. It really makes the model pop. I have here the painting schemes for Manfred von Richthofen and for his brother, I believe it was, yeah, Lothar von Richthofen. So 2 von Richthofen planes. And of course I'm going to build a completely different plane. I'm going to make the plane flown by one Adolf von Tuchek. So, if you want to get into like First World War planes, I can recommend this one. It's quite cheap. It's really easy on the bracing wires, and it's just a very nicely detailed kit.